Caramucho makes you excited. Oh, hello, hola, konnichiwa, wagwan my Ari fam. What's up? What's popping? It's been a while since I do a sit down video, and yes, it's been a while since I've shown you my hair. If you are new here, my name is Katie, and I'm the founder of the One Big Ari Family Movement. Now, in this video, I will be trying 4 flavored chips. So in Japan, they have different flavor potato chips. Okay, so my Japanese friends told me, Katie, this is a challenge for you, so I'm gonna just let you see what my reactions are to these. First, I'm gonna try this one. This is like a shrimp, as you can see, a shrimp chip, and yeah, I forgot what they told me the name is in Japanese, but yeah, it's a shrimp chip. So let's start with this one. I have my water just in case. It smells like shrimp, but it tastes like it's not salty. It smells like shrimp, but it's very mild. The most I can say about it in terms of the shrimp taste is the smell, to be honest. It's not salty, and it just tastes like regular. And let me show you. Oops, oh my gosh. Yeah, see, it just tastes like regular chips. It doesn't even taste like potato chips. All right, so much for that one. This one, as you can see in the packet, it's very red, so I figure it's quite spicy. And there's like a Japanese words written on it. It says, hey, what's up? Another long day. Just try our yummy spicy Caramucho and say hi. I just did a video on Japanese English, so you can watch that one for little jokes, you know. But this one isn't so bad. Apparently it's chicken with pepper. Caramucho. Mucho. I like it. Let's get into it. Caramucho makes you excited. Let's see if I'm gonna get excited. I'm excited to try the Caramucho. Mucho. Sugoi, ne? It shouldn't be so hard. I'm just not being the right way. Oh, let me get some water so get that taste out of my mouth first. Yeah, I'm drinking water from my teacup. I'm Jamaican. We don't care about the whatever. Oh, it's very fine. Small strips. It is a bit spicy. Yeah, I must say that it is a bit spicy. It tastes more like barbecue, like a barbecue taste. I'm gonna put more than one. Reminds me of cheese stick. If you're Jamaican, you'll know cheese stick, right? But it's like cheese stick with some spice, but it's not as cheesy as cheese stick. That's the best I can say. Well, yeah, it's a bit spicy for real. Caramucho makes you excited. Sugoi, ne? Sugoi. Mucho. I like it. I actually like this one. So it says, try our yummy spicy Caramucho and say hi. Hi. Caramucho can go on. It have a look about yeah. It can go on. All right, next. a hot dog. Oh my god, this one looks scary. Oh, kawaii, kawaii. It has no English on it, so I can't tell you anything about in English, but I can tell you by the picture, it's super hot. Let's find out. So as it is on the packet, they look like onion rings. Not as thin, it's a little bit thick, the texture, and of course very crunchy. Are these them say spicy? No, don't come again. Ah, after the third one I can actually taste the spice, but it's a different kind of spice. I can't explain it, but it's not the regular like pepper taste that we're used to, and it's not kimchi type of spice. But yeah, it has a little burning thing to it. Like, it's spicy enough for you to say that you wouldn't give it to kids. So, but I'm not so fascinated with this one. Not so intrigued, but there's a little spice going on. Like, it's spicy enough that I wouldn't be able to eat the entire packet in one go. So I guess they're right. But because I'm Jamaican, I eat it without, you know, much effort, because, you know, we like spicy food, we're used to it. If you know if you eat patty like kids eat patty like and drinking water. Yeah, so we're used to spice, so it's alright. Maybe for persons who cannot eat spicy stuff, it's a little bit spicy for you. It'll be a little bit spicy. I think this is a good one to end with. Save the best for last. I think they told me that they forgot about 2 more flavors. I think there are so many other flavors, but I'll just do these 4 for now. There's also another video that I did with some Japanese snacks. I did that one live, so you will see my live reaction. You can check that out as well. This is a chicken and beef. It's actually written on it, chicken and beef flavor snack. And they told me that it's more like a barbecue taste, chicken and beef. All right, let's get into it. See? Barbecue. I don't know why they have like Japanese like kanji and then just the English alphabet with Q. I don't get it. I asked her and she said, I don't know. I was actually expecting for it to be a little bit red because it's barbecue. You know, to have like the barbecue color and flavor. Well, I'm not sure of the flavor yet, so let's see. It's not crispy like a potato chips type of crispy. It's more tastes like a little. One moment, please. I can't figure the taste of this one. Moichido. One more time. I'll try one more time. I'm not really tasting the flavor that they said that it has. Chicken and beef flavor. Maybe it's just mild. It's very, very mild. And as you can see, it's not as thick and crispy as potato chips. It's just a light snack. It just tastes like they just dusted a little salt on it, like some sort of seasoning or something. I'm not really tasting that chicken and beef flavor. So of the 4, and this one fell. Of the 4, I would go for this one, the cheese stick type. I don't like the smell of the shrimp one. Honestly, it has a strong shrimp smell. And I'm not sure why they would give it such a strong shrimp smell. But of the 4, I would choose this one. Mucho Mucho. And I like the name of it too. As Caramucho. The name is Caramucho, okay? I'm just saying Mucho Mucho. Mucho gracias. But even though I like this one the best, it's not like I would eat it in one go. It's gonna take me days for me to finish these. If I had the kids here, I would be like, David, Mikey, when you come to this, no one this, Neil, take this. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed that little review of Japanese snacks, and of course I'll have more content as a Jamaican living in Japan, so you can check out my other videos. The link will be somewhere here, and you can always binge watch, you know. Please remember to give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Please like it and share with your friends and your family members. Tell a friend to tell a friend, and I'll see you in the next video. I'm gonna comb my mad head. Boom bang, I'm out.